You gonna shuck another one? I'm gonna show Daddy this video and see that you're not wanting to help. Get to work, get to work. I have a little girl who doesn't think it's fun to shuck corn and work in the garden. Like Mommy thinks it's fun. All these flies are enjoying our corn.
It's not fun to me.
It's not fun to me either.
I do not like hauling these.
You what?
I do not like hauling these.
You don't like what, honey?
I don't like hauling these.
You don't like hauling it? That's the easy part. Shucking it's the hard part.
I don't like shucking it.
I'm sorry.
It's too not fun.
It's too not fun.
No. I don't like it.
Well, God provides the corn for us. We need to take care of it. Not let it go to waste. And we'll bless a lot of people giving them some corn. And it'll be good to eat. Don't you think?
It will be good to eat, but I just don't like hauling it. I don't like...
This is called shucking it, honey.
I don't like shucking it.
Well, it's a messy job, that's true.
I've got to spend some time that I like doing what I like to do.
Honey, you always do what you like to do. You're not normally having to work. That had no silk. Stick it into the other pile, okay? Right here, baby, on this chair. Okay, let's see. There's 2 or 3 more down here. Maybe 4 or 5. Come on.
There's more than 2 or 5.
I think we've done pretty well. You hear the katydids if it weren't for the big jets going over. You can hear the July flies.
I don't.
Listen.
So now I can.
Let me show you what a July fly came out of. Come here. He shed his skin. Look at this thing.
What is it?
It's his skin. Look. See where he broke out of it?
Ooh.
I used to hang these on trees when I was little at my grandmother's house.
Ew.
Oh, we fell. They climb out of the ground over the winter, I guess, and then they leave that skin. You don't think that's so great, huh? All right, let's move. Move out of my way. Alrighty then. Mommy's looking wonderful.